Did you know there's a pair of silent heroes inside you, working 24/7 to keep you alive? No, I'm not talking about some sci-fi fantasy. I'm talking about your kidneys. We rarely give them a second thought, yet every single day, they perform a miracle of biological engineering that is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine this: every 30 minutes, your entire blood supply, all 5 liters of IT courses through these 2 small, bean-shaped organs. That's nearly 50 times a day. As your blood flows through, your kidneys act as the most sophisticated purification system known to man. They are constantly scanning, filtering, and deciding what stays and what goes. They meticulously pull out waste products, excess salts, and toxins that could otherwise build up and become harmful. Think of all the things you eat and drink. Your kidneys are the gatekeepers, ensuring your body maintains a perfect, delicate balance. But their job doesn't stop at just cleaning. Your kidneys are master chemists. They regulate your blood pressure, preventing it from getting too high or too low. They stimulate the production of red blood cells, which carry life-giving oxygen to every corner of your body. They even activate vitamin D, which is crucial for strong bones and a healthy immune system. They are the unsung conductors of your internal orchestra, ensuring every instrument plays in perfect harmony. The incredible thing is, they do all of this silently. You don't feel them working. There are no notifications, no alerts. They just do their job, day in and day out, asking for nothing in return. They are the definition of selfless dedication. This silent nature, however, is a double-edged sword. Because they work so quietly, we often don't notice when something is wrong until the problem becomes serious. Kidney disease is often called a silent killer for this very reason. Symptoms might not appear until significant, sometimes irreversible. Damage has already been done. That's why it's so important for us to stop taking these vital organs for granted. We need to become their advocates, their partners in health. And the good news is, supporting your kidneys isn't complicated. It starts with simple, conscious choices every day. Staying well hydrated is one of the best things you can do. Water helps your kidneys flush out toxins more efficiently. Think of it as giving your internal filtration system a helping hand. Managing your diet is also key. A balanced diet, low in sodium and processed foods, reduces the strain on your kidneys. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Regular exercise helps control blood pressure and blood sugar, 2 of the biggest risk factors for kidney damage. And if you have conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, working closely with your doctor to manage them is absolutely essential to protect your kidney health for the long term. Your kidneys are a gift. They are your personal, lifelong detoxification system, your blood pressure regulators, and your hormone producers, all rolled into one. They work tirelessly to grant you the gift of health and vitality every single day. Let's not wait for a problem to arise to show our gratitude. Let's start today. Let's make choices that honor their silent, life-saving work. A little care goes a long way in protecting these incredible organs for a lifetime of health. Thank you so much for watching and taking this moment to appreciate the wonders within. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a healthier, more mindful life. See you in the next video.